Nothing makes your wedding video sexier than using this feature. Some people say it's overused, but you can't use it enough when it comes to wedding videography. And today we're going to talk about this feature. Stay tuned.
Quick tip of the week.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to a quick tip of the week. This is for you wedding videographers. Listen, really simple tip this week. Make sure you capture a lot of slow motion. Now, to capture a lot of slow motion, you don't really got to capture a lot of slow motion. That's kind of a trick term. Really, you just need to capture slow motion. If you got 5 minutes of slow motion footage, it's probably like 15 minutes of actual footage, depending on your camera and the frame rates in which it saves in. But slow motion will save your butt, and it looks good for weddings. Be mindful to capture a lot during daylight because the sunlight is consistent and the light looks great. Whereas indoors, you may have some flicker from some lights, a lot of stage lights and a lot of reception lights, a lot of DJ lights tend to flicker a little bit, so it don't always look as good. Dance floor, maybe, yes. First dance, probably not. But be sure to capture a lot of slow motion. It just looks good when it comes to weddings. It looks elegant. Capture as much as possible in slow motion. We used to have a guy on a camera, on our C camera, just dedicated to slow motion slider shots, slow motion gimbal shots, slow motion drone shots. And it just adds production value like nothing else. All right, guys, if you got comments, you got questions, you want to talk about it, post them in the comments below. If you got any value from this, if you learned anything from this video, just be real, hit the thumbs up button. It doesn't cost nothing. It's free to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next Monday. All right, guys. And if this is your first time watching one of our videos, this channel is designed to help people like yourself turn your passion into profit. We like to use the term contentpreneurs. So make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so that you can be notified on our latest videos, and let's get to it.